If you're a cosmetic surgeon, there's a high chance you're losing 50 to 80% of potential patients before you even speak to them. Not because they're unqualified, but because your follow-up is too slow. Think about this. A patient inquires about a procedure, maybe liposuction, rhinoplasty, or a facelift. They're interested right now. But before your team calls them back, another clinic already did and booked the consultation. Now, when you finally reach out, they've already spoken to 2 or 3 clinics, or worse, they've already chosen one. Not because those clinics were better, just because they were faster. And that's exactly how we helped one clinic go from inconsistent bookings to a fully booked consultation calendar every week, just by fixing their response speed.
Yeah, and he's happy. I'm just comparing it to where we were before with no consults to now. You know, is the thing for my job is that he can see them being booked in his schedule. So I'm doing my part. So for May, we had 4 consults that were actually completed. We had every Monday, Dr. Hall was full.
So the real issue isn't bad inquiries, it's slow response, missed calls, and inconsistent follow-ups. That's where most clinics are losing revenue right now. Because when everything is manual, it breaks. Your front desk gets busy, calls get missed, messages get delayed, and high-intent patients just disappear. Meanwhile, other clinics are responding instantly, following up automatically, and booking more consultations without hiring more staff. That's exactly what we help you do. Not by adding more workload, but by installing a system that handles it for you. Here's how it works. The moment a patient inquiry comes in, our system contacts them within 60 seconds. While they're still engaged, it qualifies the patient and books the consultation directly into your calendar automatically. And it doesn't stop there. If they don't respond, or they're still deciding, the system continues following up for you. Calls, messages, reminders. So no high-value patient slips through. What this means for you: more booked consultations. Higher quality patients, it's wasted ad spend. Better consultation to surgery conversion without hiring more staff. In fact, one of our clients generated over $250,000 in additional revenue in 2025, with over 10x return simply by fixing their speed to lead and follow-up. No increase in ad spend.
Hi everyone, this is Saurabh Shukla from Yoho Designs. So it is regarding Ajay Soni, of course. Ajay Soni met us through a reference and a close colleague of mine, and he introduced us to Ajay Soni for digital marketing. So I would just want to say that he is doing a fabulous job for us, and we are an interior based company for which he is currently running Facebook and Meta Leads ad, and which is really helping us to get leads and generate clients through that. And he is doing a fantastic job. I would highly recommend him for not only this but other facilities and services what he is able to provide. Definitely in future we'll be having a lot of tie-up with him as we grow and as he grows his team. So all the best to Ajay Soni, and highly recommended for all the services related to digital platforms. Thank you.
Now, here's the best part. We don't lock you into long-term retainers. There's a small setup fee, and then you only pay per booked consultation. So we only win when you get results. If it doesn't work for your clinic, you don't continue. Simple. No long-term commitment, no unnecessary risk. This works best if you're a cosmetic surgeon or aesthetic clinic, you're already getting inquiries and you want more booked consultations from them. So if you want to stop losing high-value patients and start turning inquiries into booked consultations, click below and book a quick strategy call. We'll show you exactly where you're losing patients right now and how to fix it. If it's a fit, great. We move forward. If not, no pressure. At least you walk away knowing exactly what's broken.